This is the best chocolate chip cookie cereal you will ever have. I wish I made this at 10. Oh my god, this has healed my inner child.